Good morning and Sairam children. Hope you all are happy and healthy at your places. Children, as you know, your exams are about to begin. I hope you all have started your studies, isn't it? Who are not even doing their studies, please start studying. Okay? So, in this video, we'll do revision of chapter number 9 and chapter number 10. Our chapter number 9 is My Fun Day and chapter number 10 is Add a Points. Okay. So similar questions will also come in your exams. It is not necessary that the question we are doing in this revision should come. Isn't it? But similar questions will come in your exams. Question may change the number. Okay, question may change the number or rename the days, name of month can also change. Okay, so prepare your exam. Okay, start your study. So let's start a revision work of chapter number 9 and chapter number 10. So let's start with a revision. This revision is for FA4. Okay, and in this revision I have given question of chapter number 9, My Fun Day, and chapter number 10, Add a Points. Both the chapter I have given in this revision. Okay, this work you will do in your maths notebook. Okay, this work you will do in your maths notebook. So here I have already mentioned that you will do this work in your maths notebook. Okay. Now our first question is pick the correct option. In each and every question you have options whether it is true or false or fill in the blanks or any other questions. You will only tick the correct one. Okay. So first question is Holi is celebrated in the month of. Two options are given for you, March and April. You will tick in front of correct one. Okay. So which one is correct? Holi is celebrated in the month of, yes, in the month of March. So you will tick in front of March. Okay. Holi is celebrated in the month of March. Second question, Republic Day is celebrated in the month of, yes, options are given. First is August and second is January. So, in which month Republic Day is celebrated? In the month of January. Okay. Republic Day is celebrated in the month of January. Third one is Children's Day is celebrated in the month of, options are November and December. So, in which month Children's Day is celebrated? It is celebrated in the month of November. So, you will tick in front of November. Okay. Now, fourth one is Christmas is, number fourth is Christmas is celebrated in the month of, options are December and January. So, in which month Christmas is celebrated? It is celebrated in the month of December. So, you will tick in front of December. Okay? In front of December you will tick. Like this we can tick. Next is Independence Day is celebrated in the month of. Yes, Independence Day is celebrated in the month of July. Options are given: July and August. So, which is the month of Independence Day? It is August. So, we'll tick in front of August. Okay. Now, next is Labor Day is celebrated in the month of. Options are May and June. Options are May and June. Okay. So, which month is correct? Is it May or June? It is May. So, we'll tick in front of May. Okay. We'll tick in front of May. Next is Diwali is celebrated in the month of. Options are given: November and December. Which one is correct? Yes, it is November. Diwali is celebrated in the month of November. So, we'll tick in front of November. Okay. Now, the next question is Rakhi. Rakhi means Raksha Bandhan is celebrated in the month of. Options are July and August. So, in which month Rakhi is celebrated? Raksha Bandhan is celebrated in the month of August. So, we'll tick in front of August. Okay. Next is Dashehra is celebrated in the month of. Dashehra is celebrated in the month of. Options are given: December and October. December and October. So, in which month Dasahara is celebrated? In the month of October. So, we'll tick in front of October. Okay. Next, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in the month of. Yes. In which month? Options are October and November. So, in which month Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated? It is celebrated in the month of October. So, we'll tick in front of October. Okay. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in the month of October. Okay. Now, question number 11 is the sum of 8 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to. The sum of 8 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to. Two options are given for you. What you will do in this? You will add these. What you will do? You will add these 8, 5 and 4. 8 plus 5? Yes. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. If you will add 8 and 5, it becomes 13. Okay. 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And here 1 will come. So what is the answer? It is 17. So where you will tick? You will tick in front of 17. Here you will tick in front of 17 is the correct answer. The sum of 8 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 17. Okay. So you will tick in front of 17. You will tick in front of 17. Okay. Now the next question is the bakery sells 15 cakes on Monday. How much cakes on Monday? 15. The bakery sells 15 cakes on Monday and 12 cakes on Tuesday. 15 cakes on Monday and 12 cakes on Tuesday. So how many in total? What you will do in this? Again you will add these two numbers 15 and 12. What you will do? First you will add these two numbers 15 and 12. So if we will add 15 and 12, it become 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So our answer is 27. So the correct option is 27. So this one is correct one. Okay. So the total cakes are 27. So you will tick in front of 27. Okay. Now the next question is, there are 4 blue balloons and 8 green balloons. How many blue balloons are there? 4. And how many are green? 8. How many balloons in total? Now again you will add these two numbers 4 and 8. So 8 plus 4 is equal to, yes, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 or 13. Two options are given for you. First is 12 and second is 13. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So you will tick in front of 12. 12 is the correct answer. Okay. So you will tick in front of 12. Okay. Now the 14th one is, what is the missing number in, here you will write missing number. Is this 20 or is this 30? If we will add any number with 5, it becomes 35. What is that number? How you will find? I told you when we are doing addition in our book, if any number is not given here, if you will subtract these two numbers, we can find. Okay. So what we will do? We will subtract 35 minus 5. Okay. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. And what will come here down? 3. So our answer is 30. What is our answer? 30. So which one is correct? This one is correct. 30 is correct. So what will come in this blank? 30. Okay. So the missing number is 30. Okay. So you will tick in front of 30. 30 is the correct answer. Okay. Next is, what number will the lizard take to eat 18 insects? What will the number lizard take to eat 18 insects? For 18 insects, for this 18 insects, which number lizard will take? Is it 8 plus 1 plus 9 or is it 8 plus 2 plus 9? First, what we will do? We'll add these numbers. Okay. So, first we'll add this number. First one, A part. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Isn't it? Or second one is 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2, 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. So the sum of second one is 19. The sum of first one is 18. So which one is correct? First one. Part A is correct. 8 plus 1 plus 9 is the correct answer. So we'll tick in front of first option. Okay. Here we'll tick. Okay. Now move on. Next question. Our next question is fill in the blanks. Here again options are given. You will tick only, or you can, no, you will tick only. Okay. You will only tick the correct one. First is dash is the fun day. Dash is the fun day. Options are Sunday and Monday. So which one is correct? Which day is your fun day? It is Sunday, isn't it? So you will take in front of Sunday. Okay? Sunday is fun day. Now, second is third day of the week is. Third day of the week is it Wednesday or Thursday? It is Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day. First is Monday, second is Tuesday, and third is Wednesday. So, third day of the week is Wednesday. So, which one is correct? Wednesday is correct. Okay. So, we'll take in front of Wednesday. Third day of the week is Wednesday. Next is first day of the week is. First day of the week is. Which one is the first day? Is it Sunday or Monday? It is Monday. Monday is the first day. So we'll tick in front of Monday. Okay? Monday is the first day of the week. Fourth one is the fifth day of the week. Which is the fifth day of the week? Is it Thursday or Friday? Which one is fifth day? It is Friday. Friday is the fifth day of the week. So you will take in front of Friday. Okay? Friday is the fifth day of the week. Next is the fourth day of the week. Which one is the fourth day? What comes before Friday? Yes, what comes before Friday? It's Thursday, isn't it? So, Thursday is the fourth day of the week. So, we'll take in front of Thursday. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Next is there are dash months in a year. There are dash months in a year. So, how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. So, we'll tick in front of 12. Okay. Next is sixth month of the year is. Which one is the sixth month? Is it June or July? It is, yes, it is. Which one is the sixth month of the year? Sixth month of the year is June. Sixth month of the year is June. So you will tick in front of June. Chennai has dash weather. Chennai has dash weather. Chennai has hot weather or cold weather. Which type of weather is there in Chennai? It is, yes, Chennai has hot weather. Chennai has hot weather. So you will tick in front of hot. Chennai has hot weather. Okay. Chennai has hot weather. Next is dash come after October. Dash comes after October. Which month comes after October? October, November. So which month comes after October? It is November. So you will tick in front of November. Okay. Next is dash has cold weather. Dash has cold weather. Is it Kashmir or Delhi? Delhi has cold weather or Kashmir has cold weather? Yes, it is Kashmir. Kashmir has cold weather. Okay? So like this you will complete question number 2. Now question number 3 is true, false. These type of questions will come in your exam. These all questions are given in your book or in workbook. Okay. So next is true and false. February is the month which has either 28 days or 29 days. February is the month which has either 28 days or 29 days. Is it true or false? It is true. Okay, so you will tick in front of true. Next is September has 31 days. September has 31 days. This sentence is correct or not? This is true or false? How many days are there in September? In September, 30 days are there. So, this sentence is not correct. Okay. So, you will tick in front of false. You will tick in front of false. Okay. September has, yes, how many days? 30 days. But what is written here? 31. So, this sentence is not correct. So, you will tick in front of false. May comes after April. May comes after April. Is this correct or not? After April, which month has come? It is May, isn't it? So, this is true. So, you will tick in front of true. Okay? You will tick in front of true. Next is December is the last month of the year. December is the last month of the year. Correct? Yes. December is the last month of the year. This sentence is true. So we'll tick in front of true. Seventh day of the week is Saturday. Seventh day of the week is Saturday. This sentence is correct or not? Seventh day of the week is Saturday. Correct? Yes or no? No. Seventh day is Sunday. Seventh day is Sunday, isn't it? So, this is false. So, you will take in front of false. Okay? Next is Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in the month of October. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in the month of October. Correct? Yes, this is true. This one is true. So, we'll tick in front of true. For rupees 200, we need 2 notes of rupees 100. For rupees 200, we need 2 notes of rupees 100. Correct? Yes or no? Yes, it is true. We need 2 notes of 100 rupees. Okay? Then the next is if we add 10 and 10. If we add 10 and 10. If we'll add these two numbers 10 and 10, it becomes 20. Yes or no? Yes. If we will add 10 and 10, it becomes 20. 1 plus 1, 2. It becomes 20. So this sentence is true. So we'll take in front of true. Okay. Next is the sum of 11 and 22 will be 33. The sum of 11 and 22 will be 33. Correct or not? Yes, correct. True. So, we'll tick in front of true. Then the last one is the addition of 4 plus 6 plus 3. the addition of, if we'll add these numbers, the sum of these numbers is equal to 14? Yes or no? So, what we'll do first? First, we'll add these numbers. Okay. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Or 10 plus 3. If we'll add 10 and 3, it becomes 13 only. But what is written here? 14. So, this sentence is not correct. Okay. So, we'll take in front of false. Okay. This is false. This is wrong. Like this, you will prepare your book exercise, your workbook exercise. Okay. So, here in this revision, I have given you 2 options, but there will 3 options will come in your exam. So, do not get confused. Okay. Now, prepare your exam. That's all in this video. See you in the next video. Till then, you take care and keep studying. Keep studying. Okay. Thank you and Sai Ram.